All right, this is really cool. I just want to show something new. So we have our menus up here, and in the top corner we have the utilities menu. Now the utilities menu is the same across every application, and it gets read in and configured at boot time. And you can see that this is a flat list. There are no submenus, and it's got, whatever, 7 or 8 items in here. It's got 8 items. Now, just this menu here comes from the system directory, settings directory, and the utilities.m file. But I have created an alternative utilities.m file here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename the original to, say, 1. And then I'll rename this one here to the generic name utilities.m. Now, of course, that didn't make a change immediately, but what's new is that we can open the utilities utility, and this button here, when you click it, it actually just refreshes this list, which is useful under certain circumstances. But if we hold the control key when we click this refresh button, it now reloads in from this menu's definition file and rebuilds this menu. And check it out. It's totally different now. And it's got a submenu with a bunch of extra options. Isn't that cool? So we can now edit the menus files, change keyboard shortcuts, and then reload it in and get new items, new shortcuts, and new arrangements at runtime. That is so cool. All right, thanks for watching.